Today we are going to discuss about cardiovascular diseases. What are cardiovascular diseases? Cardiovascular diseases are heart related to heart. Cardiovascular diseases are related to heart. Under public health and hygiene, we are going to learn about what are cardiovascular diseases. In this, cardiovascular disease has the same meaning for healthcare today as the epidemics of centuries had for medicine in earlier times. 50% of the population in developed countries die of cardiovascular diseases. According to British Heart Foundation, every 2 minutes someone has heart attack. What are all the types of cardiovascular diseases? In this, coronary heart diseases. Coronary heart diseases, coming to coronary heart diseases, ischemic heart disease, heart attack, myocardial infarction, angina, these are all. Coming to coronary heart diseases, when the atherosclerosis. What is atherosclerosis? Because of raised cholesterol, the deposition inside the walls, that arteries, that leads to obstruction in the blood supply, that is called as atherosclerosis. Deposition of fat inside the arteries, that is called as atherosclerosis. Next, arteriosclerosis. Coming to arteriosclerosis, in this, because of calcium deposition inside the arteries, that also leads to flexibility. Arteries flexibility will be loosed. Because of that also, that will also cause cause obstruction to the free blood flow. That is also causes, that is named as arteriosclerosis. There is next one is ischemic heart disease, heart attack. When the blood walls does not get any kind of blood supply into the heart, that leads to this. Next, cerebrovascular disease. What is cerebrovascular disease? Cerebro means brain. Inside the brain, when arteries get ruptured, that leads to stroke. Stroke ultimately leads to sometimes death and paralysis also. Transient ischemic attacks also there. These heart attacks and these CVDs, cardiovascular diseases, comes mainly because of what are the underlying causes for this we are discussing. In this third category comes hypertension, hypertensive heart disease. When people are suffering from hypertension, that also leads to heart problems. Next, peripheral vascular diseases. Then heart failure, rheumatic heart disease. Coming to rheumatic heart disease, when in childhood people suffer from fever, that is streptococcal infection, and they does not treat it, and they does not get right treatment, that also leads to in future rheumatic heart disease. Next, congenital heart diseases. In this, walls will be function of the walls are affected by birth itself. Those are called congenital heart diseases. Next, cardiomyopathies. These cardiomyopathies can be of virus, sometimes viral, etc. Leading cause of mortality in developed countries and rising tendency in developing countries because of this. A major impact of CVDs shows impact on life expectancy. Nowadays, in India, life expectancy is 70 to 80 years. Because of this hard elements, life expectancy is people are dying. Significantly contributes to morbidity and death rates in the middle-aged population. Actual life expectancy is 70 to 80. But here, because of CVDs, people are dying in the middle age only. Potential life years lost. Common cause of premature death, labor force, family life, morbidity. Nearly 30% of all disability cases, people who are suffering from cardiovascular diseases are 30% of the people are disabled. They can't do actively any kind of work. Contributes to deterioration of the quality of the life. What are the types of? We have already told coronary heart diseases, cerebrovascular diseases, next peripheral heart diseases, heart failures, rheumatic heart disease, congenital heart disease, cardiomyopathies. What are the tasks of cardiovascular epidemiology? Detection is first. If at all we can find out that person is suffering from heart element or cardiovascular elements, then immediately one can get advice from the medical professionals. Next, what are the distribution of CVD in populations? Surveillance, monitoring, trends of changes, study of the natural history of CVD. Natural history of CVD, any family history is there. Formulation and testing of etiological hypothesis, that is risk factors. Hereditary, if at all their father and mother or grandfather or grandparents having the history of cardiovascular diseases, there is a chance of children also getting cardiovascular diseases. Contribution to the development of cardiovascular prevention programs and the measurement of their effectiveness. Parts of cardiovascular epidemiology. Descriptive epidemiology, describing distribution of cardiovascular disease by means of certain characteristics such as person. If a person is suffering from cardiovascular diseases, what is his age? Depending on age, gender, ethnicity, time, and place. Next, under descriptive epidemiology, cardiovascular diseases can be what are the characteristics of the persons depending on age, gender, male or female, ethnicity, belong to which race, that is called ethnicity, time and place. Next, analytical epidemiology. Analyzing relationships between CVD and the risk factors. Risk factors which elevate the probability of disease at population level. Risk model and multi-causal developments. Experimental epidemiology and intervention. Strategies of cardiovascular prevention. Those are primordial, primary, secondary, tertiary, individual, and community levels. First, what is the epidemiology? Depending on the person, age, gender, male or female, belong to because of his race, time, place. Next, analytical, coming to analytical epidemiology, analyzing relationships between CVDs and risk factors. What are the risk factors? Which elevate the probability of the disease at population level, risk and multi-cause. Next, strategies of cardiovascular prevention. Descriptive epidemiology. Distribution patterns in the world. In the world, CVD deaths accounts for one-third of all deaths, 25 to 50% depending on the level of economic development. People who are below poverty line, they may suffer from rheumatoid heart elements because they don't recognize that comes from whenever the streptococcal infected that will go to heart and it causes rheumatoid rheumatic heart diseases, and because in BPL we can absorb this. Because of this low economic or BPL or middle income groups also we can find this. What are our total all deaths? 25 to 50 deaths are because of cardiovascular diseases. Among these, 50%, if at all, 100 deaths are occurring. About 50 deaths are because of coronary deaths, coronary heart diseases. Cardiovascular diseases made up 16.7 million of global deaths in year 2002, among which 7 million due to coronary heart disease, 6 million due to stroke. Here we can see global death scenario in the year 2002. 16.7 are there. Millions of deaths. In 16.7 million deaths, 7 million are due to coronary heart diseases and 6 million are due to stroke. Distribution types of CVD in global deaths. Global cardiovascular deaths in 2002 are 16.7, among which coronary heart diseases are 7.2 million, stroke 6.0, and 0.9 million hypertensive heart diseases, 0.4 million inflammatory heart diseases, and 0.3 million rheumatic heart diseases, 1.9 million other CVDs. Descriptive epidemiology. Coming to descriptive epidemiology, age. What is the relative amount of cardiovascular diseases in death rates in different age groups? Early lesions of blood vessels, atherosclerotic plaques, around 20 years adult lifestyle. Patterns usually start in childhood and youth because of smoking, dietary habits, sporting behavior, etc. In coming to descriptive epidemiology, age plays a vital role. What is the relative amount of cardiovascular diseases in death rates and different age groups? Early lesions of blood vessels, atherosclerotic plaques, around 20 years adult lifestyle patterns, smoking, dietary habits, sporting behavior, etc. Increase in cardiovascular disease morbidity and mortality in age groups 30 to 44 years because of their lifestyle. Lifestyle means it includes smoking, taking fast food and high cholesterol food. Oil content intake will be very high. This also leads to stress. These are also leads to death, CVD, cardiovascular diseases and deaths in the age group 30 to 44 years. Premature death, 60 less than 64 years of age are 25 to 64 years in the elderly population more difficult to interpret death rate due to multiple health causes. People may be after attaining 60 years, people may be suffering different kinds of health ailments, namely diabetes, hypertension, etc. Coming to distribution patterns in the world, CVD deaths account for 25, we have already discussed, total deaths, 50% deaths are because of this. Now we will see the graphic coming to here, proportion of mortality in different age groups, men, we are taking men. First is, this color is external. Okay. Next is, this is other diseases. Next, CVD. Coming to the age group, here we are taking age group. On x-axis we are taking age. On the y-axis we are taking the percentage. People dying various causes. In that, what are the external? In this 1 to 24 years, CVDs will be 4.6, and because of cancer, people are dying 11.4%, and other 22.5%, external 61.5%. And coming to the age group, 25 to 64 years, here 32.7 people are dying because of cardiovascular diseases. 26.9 people are dying because of cancers, and others 26, and the other and external, due to external factors, people are dying 14%. 64 years and above people are dying. CVD deaths are 55.8 are CVD deaths, 24.6 are cancer, 14.9 are other disease, and 4.7 external. This is in men. Mainly above these cardiovascular diseases, deaths are increased in coming to 25 to 64 years, it is 32.7. Whereas coming to above 65 years, then it will be 55.8%. Next, coming to women. In women also, we have taken on the x-axis age, on the y-axis percentage of deaths. Here, again, 1 to 24 years age group, only 7.3% are dying, percentage dying. And cancer, because of cancer, 17.7, others 35%, and external 40. 25 to coming to 25 to 64 years age group, 31, this is somewhat less compared to men. Here in men 32.7, in women 31 point, just 1% is difference. Okay, 36 point, and above 65 years, here we can observe 64.7. In men that is 55.8, but in women that is 64.7. So here in women, a comparison between men and women who are suffering from suffering or mortality rate in men and women compared to women are more compared to men. In women, that is 64.7, but in men, that is 55.8. Other causes are cancers 12.2, next others are 18.3, next external 4.8. Descriptive epidemiology, that is sex. Based on sex, male, female also, it also plays a vital role in CVDs. What is the relative amount of CVD death in rates of women and men? Widespread idea, cardiovascular diseases is often thought to be a disease of middle-aged men. Cardiovascular mortality are more common among men. However, cardiovascular diseases affect nearly as many women as men, albeit at an older age. Women's Special Case WHO 2004, a higher risk in women than men. Coming to this, previously, widespread idea is cardiovascular diseases are often thought to be a disease of middle-aged men, and cardiovascular mortality are more common among men. However, CVD affected nearly as many women as men. Okay, coming to women, that is wrong. In the study made by WHO 2004, women's special case, higher risk in women than men who are having smoking habits, high triglyceride levels. Next, higher prevalence of certain risk factors in women. One is diabetes mellitus, depression, gender specific risk factors. Risks for women only. Oral contraceptives, use of oral contraceptives, hormonal replacement therapy, polycystic ovary syndrome because of smoking habits, high triglyceride levels, and depression, diabetes mellitus. Next, in women only, who take oral contraceptives, hormonal replacement therapy, suffer from next polycystic syndrome. Because of this, the disease, cardiovascular disease prevalence will be very high. What is the relative amount of cardiovascular diseases death rates in different ethnic groups? In the US, increased cardiovascular disease deaths in African American and South Asian populations in comparison with whites. Increased here cardiovascular disease deaths in African American and South Asian population in comparison with whites. Increased stroke risk in African American, some Hispanic Americans, Chinese, Japanese populations. Migration. Nee Hansen study says Japanese living in Japan had the lowest rates of coronary heart diseases and cholesterol levels, those living in Hawaii and intermediate rates for both. Those living in San Francisco had the highest rates for both. People who are, according to Ning Hansen study, people Japanese who are living in Japan had lowest rates of coronary heart diseases and cholesterol levels. Those living in Hawaii and intermediate Hawaii will be having intermediary rates for both coronary heart disease and cholesterol levels. But people who are living in Francisco are having highest rates of both. A descriptive epidemiology, time and place. What is the relative amount of cardiovascular diseases in different geographical places? What are the time trends? International and regional characteristics distribution. Here we will see what is the various different geographical places, what are the time trends, international and regional characteristics of distribution. In this, SDR means standard death rate. Next, direct mode of standardization using the age distribution, hypothetical European standard population, premature death rates for comparison purpose above below 64 years of age. World trends. What are the world trends? Developed countries decreasing tendencies. Example, in USA 30% between 1988 and 98, in Sweden 42%. Improvement of lifestyle factors. For example, a decrease of smoking and higher level of health consciousness in many developed countries. People are maintaining strict diet measures. Because of that also, deaths due to cardiovascular diseases are came down. Improvement in many developed countries. Better diagnostic and therapeutic procedures, that those are bypass surgeries, hypertension screening, pharmacological treatment of hypertension, hypercholesteremia, access to healthcare. Coming to these terms, because of better diagnostic and therapeutic procedures, nowadays medical investigations are very developed. So people may undergo bypass surgeries. Because of bypass surgery, who undergone bypass surgery, it may extend the life expectancy up to 15 years. Then hypertension screening. Early screening of hypertension and taking medications regularly also decrease the development of cardiovascular diseases. And next, the people who are suffering from high cholesterol levels, then those have to take care of taking medication for that also. In developing countries, increasing tendencies, increase, increasing longevity, urbanization, Western lifestyle. In developing countries, already they are very concerned about diet and their lifestyle to control, to avoid cardiovascular diseases. Descriptive epidemiology and international comparisons. Where are the rates higher or lower? Interpretation of time trends. Inequalities in cardiovascular death. Where are the rates higher? In which countries cardiovascular death rate diseases deaths are higher or lower? Why? Analytical epidemiology 1. Over 300 risk factors have been associated with here 300 risk factors are associated with coronary heart diseases, hypertension and stroke. Approximately 75% of CVD's cardiovascular diseases can be attributed to Conventional risk factors. Risk factors are great public health significance, high prevalence in many populations, great independent impact on cardiovascular disease risk, their control and treatment result in reduced CVD risk. Developing countries double burden of risk, problems of undernutrition and infections. Classification of risk factors. What are the major modifiable risk factors? High blood pressure, abnormal blood lipids, tobacco use, physical inactivity, obesity, unhealthy diet, diabetes mellitus, high blood pressure. And people are suffering from high blood pressure. They have to take medications, investigations. They have to go for checkup regularly. Next, abnormal blood lipids. When LDL, LDL is low density lipid cholesterol, which is increased, and triglyceride levels are increased, immediately one has to get checked and take advice of medical professional. Tobacco use. Because of tobacco use also leads to cardiovascular disease. Physical inactivity. People who who are inactive, who don't do any active work, that also leads to cardiovascular disease. Obesity. Nowadays, people are software professionals. They are sitting in front of computer. That also leads to obesity. Unhealthy diet patterns. Next, diabetes mellitus. These are the major, it can be modified because they can stop tobacco use, they can go for half an hour walking, and obesity can also be controlled, regular exercises, and unhealthy diet. Unhealthy diet means low, what, which are whites. They should avoid whites. Whites means maida, salt, sugar, etc. Balanced diet is very, very good. Next, diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus also can diabetes also kept in control. Other modifiable risk factors. Low socio-economic status. This also plays vital role in development of cardiovascular diseases. Mental ill health. This is also leads to cardiovascular dis- diseases. Psychosocial stress. Psychosocial stress. In this we can take in India, people are casteism because of based psychosocial when people in girls, if at all they have pimples, that also leads to stress on their mind. Next, if at all they are unable to get into any kind of competitions or and they are unable to what they desire, like getting a seat in medicine, going to abroad, if at all that does not happen, that also leads to stress. Heavy alcohol use. Next, use of certain medication. Use of certain medication also leads to cardiovascular disease. Lipoproteins. Non-modifiable risk factors. In above 64 years, women are dying, death rate is high. That those are age, we can't modify. Hereditary or family history. Hereditary means family history, if at all their grandparents, parents having any kind of risk factors. It also we can't modify. Then gender. Men CVD rate is less, death rate is less. Coming to women, it is high in age groups above 64 years. Ethnicity or race. Compared to Americans in South Asian regions, the cardiovascular diseases are rate is high. Northern risk factors are excess homocysteine in blood, inflammatory markers, C-reactive protein, abnormal blood coagulation, elevated blood levels of fibrinogen. Next, hypertensive. We have already discussed hypertension plays hypertensive cardiovascular disease. In this, normal blood pressure is 120 by 80. In these cases, systolic blood pressure will be 140 HCmM or diastolic blood pressure will These will go on higher above 140 and above 90. Diastolic will be above 90 and systolic will be above 140. Next, free of clinical symptoms for many years. People does not go for health checkups. I am active, I am healthy only. That also masked. If at all the hypertension is masked for many years, without any symptoms they live lived, that also leads to cardiovascular disease. In most countries, up to 30% of adults suffering and increasing with age in civilized countries. And positive family history, dietary habits, high intake of salt, processed food, low levels of water hardness, high thiamine content of food, alcohol use, modern lifestyle, increased sympathetic activity, psychosocial stress, leading position in job. This also puts stress on the individual and leads to cardiovascular diseases. Analytical epidemiology of 4. Rheumatic fever and rheumatic heart disease. Development. Rheumatic fever usually follows an untreated beta hemolytic streptococcal throat infection in children. Children who suffer from common element that is cold, if they are not treated when the infection is in the throat, that also leads to rheumatic fever. As a consequence, the heart valves are permanently damaged, which may progress to heart failure. Today mostly affects children in developing countries linked to poverty, inadequacy of healthcare access. 12 million people currently affected by rheumatic fever and rheumatic heart disease. Two-thirds are children 5 to 15 years. For example, approximately 10,000, 10 lakhs in sub-Saharan Africa, 7 lakhs in southern Central Asia, 1,76,000 in China, 1,50,000 in North Africa, 40,000 in Europe. Current recommended lipid levels. European guidelines, US guidelines. Total cholesterol. It should be below 5 mm. And here, according to US guidelines, we are following this. 240 below 240 mg per dl. And LDL cholesterol should be below 160. mg per dl. HDL cholesterol should be 40 mg per dl or above. Triglyceride should be 200 mg per dl or below. These are the recommended lipid levels. The link between smoking and CVD mainly was identified in the year 1940. Greatest risk initiation is who are under the age of 16 years. Passive smoking is additional risk. Women smokers are at higher risk of coronary heart disease and CVD than the male smokers. Several mechanisms damages the endothelium lining, increases the atherosclerosis